Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Dropbox for pitch decks and diligence documents. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Dropbox for pitch decks and diligence documents, start by visiting the Dropbox website. Log in using your existing account credentials or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the home page of your Dropbox account. Locate the Upload button on the right side of the screen. Click on the Upload button and select Files from the drop-down menu. Choose the pitch deck or diligence documents you wish to upload from your computer. After selecting the files, click on the Open button to initiate the upload. Wait for the upload to complete, which will be indicated by a progress bar. Once the files are uploaded, you will see them listed in your Dropbox account. To share the files, click on the checkbox next to the document you want to share. Select the Share button that appears at the top of the page. In the sharing dialog, enter the email addresses of the recipients you wish to share with. You can also add a message if needed to provide context for the shared files. Adjust the settings to either allow recipients to view or edit the documents. Click on the Send button to share the documents with your specified recipients. For easy access, you can create a dedicated folder for your pitch decks and diligence documents. To create a new folder, click on the Create Folder option in your Dropbox. Name your folder appropriately and click Create. You can now drag and drop your uploaded documents into this folder for better organization. To access your documents later, simply log into your Dropbox account and navigate to the folder. Setting up Dropbox for your pitch decks and diligence documents is that simple. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.